Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a comparison between Tutor LMS, the free version, and the pro version. What are the key things that you need to understand to make an educated choice? Can I just utilize the free version, or do I need to pay for the pro version? I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of Tutor LMS and also giving you some advice about do you need, can you just utilize the free version or do you need to invest in the pro version? So let's start off with a general outlook around Tutor LMS. They've been around for a number of years. They've built a really nice platform. Now, I'm going to be a little bit controversial here. In my mind, there's three players in the WordPress learning management system arena. There's Lifter LMS, there's LearnDash, and there's Tutor LMS. When it comes to actual purchases and size of the plugin, LearnDash is the biggest. I would say Lifter LMS is the second, and Tutor LMS is the third. Now, when it comes to recommendation, which one would I recommend? I would still choose Lifter LMS, but then until a few months ago, I would say LearnDash. I now would say Tutor LMS is probably a better choice than LearnDash. So I would go with Lifter LMS, Tutor LMS, and then LearnDash. But I say that I don't think you're going to you're not going to be that greatly disappointed on if you choose either of these three. They've got a lot of similarities and they're all mature, well thought out learning management plugins, right? So basically, I wouldn't hesitate in recommending Tutor LMS. So then we go on to their free version and then their pro version. Now, the free is free. The pro version is $199 a year. It won't bankrupt you, and you're getting a hell of a lot of value from it. Now, there is a lot of difference between the free and pro, but there's two main areas I want to highlight in this video. I have written an article that goes into all the differences in a lot of detail. You find the link to that in the video description underneath, folks. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about two of the key ones. And the number one key feature is that you used to, one of the cut-offs was that you had to use WooCommerce and you could only use WooCommerce with the pro version, but they changed that. Now, with the free version and the pro version, you can sell your courses, right? Now, and they have a built-in engine that allows you to do this. And this is very similar to Lifter LMS. And this is something that LearnDash is really missing, right? So that's why I bunged up Tutor LMS as my second choice now, folks. So they do have an engine that enables you to sell courses. Now, the thing is that if you want to sell subscriptions, you've got to go to the pro version. You can't sell monthly or yearly subscriptions on an ongoing basis without the pro version. And that is the main difference, in my opinion. And it's similar to WooCommerce. WooCommerce, you can set it up and you can sell a one-off. But if you want to do monthly or annual subscriptions, you've got to buy the WooCommerce subscription add-on, and that's around $300 now per year. So they've done a similar thing, but that's the main difference. Now, another major area, there are some differences when it comes to the quiz functionality, but the free version has a good balance. But the main difference that I think, apart from the subscription, is the certificization. Somebody finishes a course, you normally want them to be able to download a certificate or it's sent to them. You've got to go with the pro version to get that functionality, folks. It's not in the free version. So these are two fundamental differences between the free and the paid version, folks. I'm going to end it now because I don't like these videos being too long. I think I've got to the really crux of two major areas. There's a lot more differences. Like I say, you find that in article that I've written, and the link to that is in the video description. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and think about subscribing to the YouTube channel. It really does help me and it shows YouTube that I'm doing something right. And it encourages me to make more of these videos, which is a win-win for both of us. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.